Welcome back to Museful. Today we are breaking in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is going to be an addition for my camera slash channel to be more involved in my videos and make better content, as I've been making content for the last year, and this is an investment I'm taking to invest in something that is more feasible in the camera space. So the Pocket 3 is a handheld camera. It allows me to do a little more functionality with my videos and have a little more interactivity with them. So I invested in this camera to give my videos a little more pop and a little more flair. So let's open it up. You can see how small and compact it is within the hand. This is the screen. This is the camera on the top. And it is really all-in-one handheld camera that allows me to have more functionality. So in the box, it comes with the camera, which is this handheld little device right here. Really small and compact. It feels really good in the hand. It comes with the carrying case as well, what the camera sits in. It comes with a camera mount. And it comes with a USB-C charging. So that is what comes in the box for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And it allows me to have a lot more functionality. So as you can see, really small, really compact, really light. This is a great tool I've looked to plan. This is just an unboxing video. I will do a more detailed and thorough review after I use it for a little bit. And thank you for watching.